coming to cutaneous innervation of the lower limb. First come to anterior aspect. This is what we are saying is the anterior aspect of the lower limb. Okay, now we will know the mnemonic to memorize all these. So first, make a jhalar. This is like a jhalar in green color, most in the superior part of the thigh. Just make a jhalar. Then draw two-way straight line from there. Two-way straight line. At the level of knee joint, make a funnel. This is like a funnel. Then one straight line running in the center of leg, and now two line diverges. First line goes laterally, and then another one extending up to the medial malleolus. And this is like a sleeper, and this is like a toe ring, bichia. First web space. And now we will give nomenclature where what nerve is going to supply these areas. So look who is. He is Safi Mandar, a famous Indian actor who is no more, and he played a Saki husband in very famous serial Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. Safi Mandar. So spelling of Safi is SHFI. So here from lateral to medial, this is SH supplied by SH, first jhalar. Second is from F, and this is I. And on the back side, it will be supplied by Saki, SH, then C, and then I. Okay. So SH stands for subcostal and hypogastric nerve. F will stand for femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. I, ilioinguinal nerve. And now these areas are named according to its place, that it lies laterally and in the thigh, so lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. This is medially and the thigh, so medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. In the middle, it is intermediate cutaneous nerve of thigh. In red color, this is like a pocket on the medial side and looks like O. So it is supplied by obturator nerve. And now, as we are saying, this is lateral aspect and this is medial. In the lateral aspect, this is leg, so lateral cutaneous nerve of leg. In the medially, this is medial side, and whole of this area of leg, is supplied by the saphenous nerve. A strip-like area just below the knee joint, below patella. This is infrapatellar branch of saphenous nerve. And this is saphenous nerve. One who has got clear nature, साफ नेचर का जो लोग होता है, साफ दिल का, one who has got clear nature who don't be afraid being come in front of the mob. They don't hide anything from anyone, so they have dared to come in front. So central, this is medial, so they are centrally located. So ये साफ दिल का आदमी है, इसलिए ये medially रहेगा, ठीक है. And now coming to the here in gray color, this is superficial peroneal nerve. It is supplied by superficial peroneal nerve, just like superficial, and as for superficial and as for socks, it looks like socks, and socks are superficial, where we can easily take off socks. That's why it is superficial peroneal nerve. And here toe ring is somewhat adherent, become adherent to our toe. So this area, that is the first web space, it is supplied by deep peroneal nerve. And as for sleeper and as for sural, that it looks like sleeper. So this area along the little finger and the lateral aspect of the, this is dorsal aspect, anterior aspect of the foot, and most laterally it is supplied by sural nerve. Sural, and also there is sursurana, that in Hindi there is word sursurana, that means whisper. One who criticize other, go by the side and criticize other. So that type of people go laterally. So sural nerve will go laterally and superficial peroneal nerve also laterally. Now coming to the posterior aspect, again you have to make a jhalar, just evermost, and then to a straight line, make a funnel, and here in the anterior aspect there is only one line, but here in the posterior aspect there are two lines. Okay, they are not meeting with each other, and this is lateral aspect and this is medial. So laterally they want to whisper something, so they are this lateral line is going laterally in the middle, and this one goes to the, this is the heel area which is very much prone to be injured. So one tear drop is coming. This is like a tear drop, and this line is meeting with the apex of tear drop. M for medial plantar nerve and M for mega. This will innervate a large region. Only the little finger and the very thin area on the lateral aspect, this will be supplied by lateral plantar nerve. Now we will decode everything. Here I have said earlier, from lateral to medial it is Saki. Saki. So SH, C and I. SH for again subcostal and hypogastric nerve. C for cluneal, superior cluneal. Again here is three areas: superior cluneal, middle cluneal and inferior cluneal. Okay, these are the cutaneous nerve coming out from the lumbar plexus, lumbosacral plexus, and this is ilioinguinal nerve. These areas are supplied by ilioinguinal. Again this is on the medial aspect and the thigh, so medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. This is lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh where my cursor is going, and this is, we are dealing with the posterior aspect in green color. This is the posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. Again medial side like a pocket, O-shaped, so supplied by obturator nerve. Medially saaf dil ka aadmi with a clear nature, so this will be supplied by saphenous nerve, and laterally this is lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh, here lateral cutaneous nerve of leg. But very worth mentioning, superficial and deep peroneal nerve is not present in the posterior aspect. Many people that has got dual nature, superficial superficially they are different and in deep they are different, but in the posteriorly, that in the back, they are of only one nature. So superficial and deep will be absent in the posterior aspect. Okay, so this is supplied by lateral cutaneous nerve of leg, and here sural nerve, that is sursurane wale log, that is whispering and they criticize other, so they are going laterally, going by the side and criticize other. Okay, and this heel area, this is the site of calcaneum, so supplied by calcaneal branch of tibial and sural nerve. This is plantar area, so, and medially, so medial plantar nerve, and laterally lateral plantar nerve. Now coming to clinical significance of the cutaneous innervation, most important is the obturator nerve. Here you can see, this is obturator nerve runs in the floor of ovarian fossa. So any inflammation or any disorder of ovary leads to referred pain in the medial side of the thigh. What we have seen in the cutaneous innervation, in the medial side of the thigh, like a pocket, that is supplied by the obturator nerve. And obturator nerve, here you can see, this is ovarian fossa, and just behind that obturator nerve, this here you can see obturator nerve and vessel, they are passing just in the floor of ovarian fossa. So if ovary get inflamed, or somewhat it will affected by any infection or cancer or any lesion that will lead to irritation of obturator nerve, and that will lead to referred pain in the medial aspect of thigh. This is